up you guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the new Jeffree Star Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. I'm really happy to be creating today's video in collaboration with Lisa Nylon here on YouTube. Lisa creates videos very similar to me. She does product reviews, makeup tutorials, hauls. She also creates a lot of chatty videos about her cultural background. And what I really love about her makeup videos is that they are very informative. Whenever she creates a tutorial or a how-to type of video, she really walks you through it and she really knows what she's talking about. So I reached out to her and asked her if she'd like to do a collab with me. I really truly love it. If you guys would head on down to the description box down below, check out Lisa's video where she is also creating a makeup look using the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette. Everything you need to know about how to find Lisa will also be in the description box down below. So head on over to her YouTube channel, check out her video, show her some love, and tell her that Judy sent you. There's not too much more to say other than I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Kikay. Let us get started with this video. I'm truly excited to be using the Mini Breaker palette today. To be completely 100% honest, I don't really remember buying this. I think I blacked out when I bought this one and the large Jawbreaker palette. I think I just went and click and bought it, and I was like, I got the notification from PayPal saying,
"You have sent such and such amount of dollars to Beautylish."
And I was like,
What?
what did I just do? But I did. I did it. I bought the palette. I'm actually really interested to try these purple shades out because nearly every single palette that I have tried recently using a bright purple pigment like this, I have had a bit of trouble with. I know purple is an incredibly difficult shade to formulate, but I'm hoping that Jeffree Star didn't put out a dud purple eyeshadow. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one out today. And as usual, I'm going to be trying and using every single shade in this palette. We'll see how I go. It shouldn't be too hard. They're all almost like one big family in this palette anyway. So I'm just going to prime my eyelids and we shall get started. video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that little Instagram video type of moment. I wanted to try and mix up my editing style for my makeup looks and makeup tutorials. I didn't really want to make this a tutorial because, I mean, seriously, who's out there looking for a tutorial of this? Like, who even follows tutorials anymore? I know many of my videos are predominantly makeup tutorials, but yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to check out Lisa's video where she is also creating a makeup look using this mini breaker palette. Again, I will be leaving that video listed in the description box down below so you can go check it out. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. If you're here from Lisa's channel, then welcome. I hope you do decide to join the Kikay family. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, and lifestyle advice videos. And please comment down below if you have been able to get your hands on this mini breaker eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this one. If you want to see more videos using this one or the large jaw breaker palette, then please be sure to leave those requests in the comments down below and I will definitely film those looks for you. I'm planning on doing a 2 looks 1 palette type of video, but instead of like 2 looks, I'm gonna do 2 looks, 1 on each eye. I don't know, it was just a thought using the large jaw breaker palette. I'm really loving how this look turned out. I'm very pleased with the purple shades. The shadows in this palette do take a little bit of blending and a little bit of building up in order to get the desired opacity of the pigment. I'm finding that these Jeffree Star shadows need a little bit more building up, but the pigmentation is definitely there if you're just patient and build it up. It isn't patchy. It's not patchy. The shadows are very smooth and very fine milled. I am so pleased actually to be able to tell you that the purple shadows in this palette blend beautifully. They're not patchy, which is probably one of the first times I've been able to find a purple shadow that isn't patchy. So thank heavens they do exist. Jeffree Star was able to do it, and so now every time I am going to look for a purple eyeshadow, I'm going to be going for these ones in here. I want to say a huge thank you to Lisa Nylon for collabing with me in today's video. Definitely go check her video out and leave some love on there. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Or the large jaw breaker palette in order to get the desired pigmentation to in order to get